am Sandra Laflamme with Indoor Air Quality. If you know somebody who has a cold, who's coughing, cue the cough, Jeff, right? If you know anybody who's got allergies this week, I'm looking for you. I've helped all sorts of people with indoor air quality machine. You plug it in, you wear it either on yourself, in your jacket, at your home, in your car. The indoor air quality machine sanitizes the air from all the stuff that you cough out and all the things that give you allergies. Indoor air quality, the Vollara ActivePure product. I'm Sandra Laflamme.